Here is Brave web browser. So let's just open it up, and then yeah. So this browser is getting more and more popularity. You can set it as default browser, or you can do yeah. So see the Brave different. No ads, no trackers, way faster page load. Of course, people are always looking for alternatives for Chrome or yeah, basically Google Chrome or Safari, which are basically just Google Chrome is dominating the market. People have a lot of questions if Google can be trusted. And the main focus here is that Brave is very privacy focused web browser, which is one of the core issues these days. And this browser prevents you from being tracked by ads. And then there is also firewall and VPN and night mode, HTTPS everywhere, tracking protection, pop-up blocker, saves battery and data. So yeah, that's the browser. You can go to Reddit, for example. Brave rewards, opting into Brave private ad supports publisher and content creator with every ad viewed. So yeah, you can tap. So that's that. Anyways, so we can just go through the Wikipedia, for example. I wouldn't say that it loads like much faster. You can see advanced controls. Here there are some additional settings. You can enable Brave VPN. There are additional settings. You can add bookmark, add search engine, see downloads, then you can go to settings. You can set it as default browser as well. Page zoom, browser lock. So that's basically some settings. So here you can see things like how many ads and other creepy things blocked. So for example, if we go to like to stuff like bbc.com or something, and let's then see. Then you can see just on bbc.com, which is one of the popular domains in the world, that there are at least 11 ads blocked. And then all these trackers blocked. So that's why this browser is quite popular, because you can see all these trackers being blocked and all of that. So people are quite concerned about their privacy, and they don't want to be targeted with countless display ads all the time. So yep. Anyhow, I'm also just starting to discover this Brave browser on mobile. So yep, that's basically a very simple overview to give you an idea how it can work. And then you can see in Privacy Hub how many trackers you blocked today, how many data saved, how many time saved. Then there are Brave rewards. I don't know if like Brave has like its own cryptocurrency or something like that, or yeah. So, but anyhow, hope this was helpful as a beginner tutorial.